Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash is the destination of the entries made in the journal. The correct answer is ledger. Question number 2. Ledger is also called the dash of all books of accounts. The correct answer is king. Question number 3. Recording of transactions from journal to ledger is called dash. The correct answer is posting. Question number 4. The excess of debit side over credit side indicates dash balance. The correct answer is debit. Question number 5. If two sides of an account are equal, account will show dash balance. The correct answer is 0. Question number 6. The process of equalizing the two sides of an account is known as dash. The correct answer is balancing. Question number 7. The right side of an account is called dash side. The correct answer is credit side. Question number 8. The left side of an account is called dash side. The correct answer is debit side. Question number 9. Dash is base for preparing journal. The correct answer is transaction. Question number 10. Dash is base for preparing ledger. The correct answer is journal. Question number 11. Dash is base for preparing trial balance. The correct answer is ledger. Question number 12. The act of equalizing the both sides of an account is called dash. The correct answer is balancing. Question number 13. Dash is prepared to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. The correct answer is trial balance. Question number 14. The difference of the totals of the two sides of an account is called dash. The correct answer is balance. Question number 15. Dash is the book of final entry. The correct answer is ledger.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.